Ladies and gentlemen, very warm welcome on this 1-hour flight to Keflavik. My name is Benedict Hill, I'm your first officer for today, together with Captain Chris Swainson. And in the cabin we have some lovely people for you today, and the chief there is Olaf. We have a flight time of about 5 hours 5 minutes. We have no major turbulence forecasted on the way, so it should be a pretty smooth flight. However, please keep your seatbelt fastened when seated. The weather in Keflavik is pretty much similar to here, a bit rainy. It's about 2 degrees by the time we land. We're just finishing off the last bit of paperwork here, and then we're just about ready to go. In a few minutes, also our very charming cabin crew will perform a safety demonstration for the equipment on board. Please give them your full attention. After that, sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. I'll get back to you with some information about the route and the latest weather information and cruise. Thank you very much.